In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use multiple agents within the same pipeline, enabling them to collaborate effectively and split the workload. Allocating specific tasks to individual agents ensures each agent masters its assigned role, leading to better performance and efficiency. For this tutorial, we'll build a pipeline that generates SEO-optimized articles. We will utilize 3 distinct agents: one agent to compile research data, a second to draft the article, and a third to ensure the article is optimized for SEO and includes relevant keywords. Since AI models have varying features and strengths, we'll be integrating open AI and cloud models in our flow. Now, let's assemble everything step by step. First, create a new instance called SEO Article Creator. We'll need the following components: a trigger, Google search, data parser, log output, agent text output, and open AI and cloud models, and a multimodal agent. Remember, you'll require the API keys for any model services you choose to use. Let's break this down into clear sections to build the complete pipeline. Section 1. Data retrieval and parsing. First, add a trigger, Google search, data parser, and log output onto the canvas. After adding these components, click Save. Once saved, let's connect these components together. In the trigger settings, we'll specify our article topic, TypeScript pros and cons. Click Run to test whether the setup retrieves any search results. It works. Next, drop onto the canvas the cloud model, multimodal agent text output, and another log output so we can clearly see the response. We'll attach a prompt template to the cloud model containing specific instructions on how to process the search data. Now, let's run a test to see how it handles the data. Great! The agent successfully created a concise summary based on the search articles we gathered. Section 2. Drafting the article. In this part, we'll need an agent capable of writing blog articles. We'll use the open AI model, another agent, log output, and agent text output. Configure your agent to use the necessary tools and attach a prompt template with detailed instructions to guide article drafting. Test the setup. Perfect. It works as expected. Section 3. SEO optimization. Finally, we'll set up the SEO optimization. For this section, we'll add one more agent and a log output. An important note: we can reuse existing model components to connect different agents, a fundamental principle applicable to all FuseMix components. Attach basic prompts to instruct the agent on how to optimize the article content for SEO. Let's perform our final test. Excellent! The pipeline successfully generated a fully optimized article. And that's how you efficiently create robust, well-balanced pipelines to generate high-quality content quickly using FuseMix.